Alright. It's been a busy week, but hello, here we are. This is the Hoover Spectrum Canister vacuum. Looks a lot better than probably some of the photos you guys got to see online. Model number for this is S3605, made in March of 92. Sorry, my phone's a little shaky. It's 11.4 amps, which is a little less than the Power Maxes, because the Power Maxes are 9.8. For the older ones, the newer ones were 9.3 amp. And the wind tunnel, of course, is 12 amps, so it's a little less than that. It is plugged in. Here's power head for it. Power head looks exactly the same as any other Quadriflex, except for this one, of course, is that gorgeous blue. Brush roll is in excellent condition on that. Very, very good shape. I want to say this unit actually runs a little bit louder than some of the other vacuums, but it still is a nice, powerful unit. And I got the tools for it. Upholstery nozzle, dusting brush, crevice tool. I have a barefoot brush in my closet with my other supplies, so I'll get that out eventually. And I've seen on eBay that Hoover has a floor brush with horsehair bristles, so I want to try that one at some point. But without further ado, I'm going to turn this on for you. On the hose handle, there's machine on off. There's a turbo switch for the brush roll, which is sort of like a hold in place for it. And then also you have the speed control. To turn on and off the brush roll, it's typical with any other Quadriflex, it's the foot pedal. So here we go. Alright, go down the speeds a little bit. And that's as low as that goes. Alright. I'm going to shut that down. I'm not really sure what the extra whirring sound is at the end when it goes off. So if anybody has any ideas for that, feel free to let me know. Alright. We will start off with the power head running suction unit on low, and you guys can hear the full power head. And then I'll jack the power up to high. So we'll start with it off. And let's see. Get you guys a nice headlight shot. Bear with me here. Okay, turn that on. Headlight. Moving. Alright, and I'm going to give it some more gas. Nice. For the turbo, I have to hold it in place. Now it's off. Nice, powerful machine. It does good. Yes, I have a lot of stuff on the rug today. I haven't actually swept in quite a while. stuff. Alright, so there you all have it. There's the Hoover Spectrum canister vacuum cleaner. Have a good night.